General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, let's do the work. Today, Friday. The anchor point is Wednesday for NASDAQ, Tuesday for a spot. So classic weekly profiles. Expansion is playing out. Terminus hit today. Today, thank God it's Friday. Just completely one-sided day. Price finally dropped. I guess I should have thought people didn't want to hold risk over the weekend. This is a news failure event. NFP came in great, still finished down. That means really wanted to go down. Price was good, and the news was good. And price still went down. Dan Linda Rash put this on Twitter. She was hard dropped. Systematic index futures day trading programs don't wait until 4 to cover their shorts. They start covering at 3:30. Volatility breakout, etc. However, the model still suggests odds that price will trade below today's low in the next 24-hour session. So she's saying we should look for another down day like this Monday. This is the hour chart. Yeah. Just putting stuff, trader stuff in my journal. I finally got some discount pricing. Yeah, it's the daily chart. The SPX is pretty much the same. Completely one-sided down day. And NVIDIA actually made it through 50% of this BPR. So previous month's low. People are going to buy NVIDIA. That 200 looks interesting on NVIDIA too. And I expect a hard bounce whenever we bounce. We could bounce next week, like maybe one more down day and then a bounce. But that's just what it's looking like. All sideline the correct stance, just the rules. Framework played out, yeah. Taking notes on how we've been waiting for this sale and why this was a good time for it to happen. And tomorrow's going to be a study day. We upload this link to the website and Telegram. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.